today I'm gonna show you how to enable its lighting on your Galaxy S26 Ultra. Okay, you can easily set up this. Okay, and I'm provide if missing this option, so simply you just open your settings, scroll down, you get accessibility, press on vision and enhancement, scroll down, and must be make sure to turn off this option. Okay, must be turn off this. Go back, go to your main settings page, you get notification, showing it a notification pop-up style. Select and you just select any on. Okay, as you can see, now successfully set up this. Select and press on done. That's it.